Hi everyone, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. Today's video, we're gonna be reviewing another exciting item. If you watched my previous two videos, I mentioned that I'm reviewing quite a few brand new Makeup Revolution products. So in this video, I'm gonna be reviewing, if you notice, I'm missing a little bit of contour. So that's a product we're gonna be reviewing. It's a Revolution Mega Bronzer. The pan, to begin with, is huge. Look at the size of this. Wait, I'm gonna just show you next to the average size setting powder. Do you know what I mean? Humongous to begin with. So this is a brand new product. I got it online. I picked the color 01 Cool. They have a cool shade and they have a warm shade. When I buy bronzers, I buy it more for the contouring rather than bronzing all over, face or body. That's why I went for a cool shade. First thing that I really like about it, that it's matte. It doesn't have any shimmer in it or any, do you know when you buy sometimes the bronzer, it has kind of like a highlighted texture sometimes, or a tiny shimmer particles in it, or it can have a shiny surface after you apply on, but this one is completely matte. That's what I am looking in the bronzers, because I have oily skin and I don't need my skin to be shinier, especially on the parts where I'm trying to contour rather than highlight, if that makes sense. So that's why I was really intrigued when I seen this online. I was like, oh my god, I gotta check it out if this is gonna work for my oily skin. It's super affordable. If you don't know, Makeup Revolution in general as a brand is super affordable. It's cruelty-free, it's vegan friendly, and the quality of the makeup is improving with every brand new item that we release. And the reason I picked up a cool tone is because I'm looking for it to be the contour powder rather than the bronzer, as I mentioned. So I think without any further ado, we should check this out, right guys? Let's open this. So the packaging itself, as you see, is very simple. It's nothing special about it, but the most important is the product, correct? Okay, I'm just gonna swatch on my finger a bit to see. Okay, first thing first, a little swatch picks up a lot of product, as you see, so that's a good thing to know. With your brush, don't go heavy-handed, just, lightly swipe through the pan. Okay, let's swatch. Okay, a color I think for my contour will be is an okay color. I think this is similar color to the Hoola Bronzer, if you ever use that. It's very similar color. I don't have one by hand, so I can't compare, but yeah, and blends very easy, so I think this is perfect as a contour. And it's matte, which is amazing. Okay, I think without any further ado, we should just try to contour. So I'm gonna try to take as less as I can. So far, so good, I think. What do you guys think? I actually really like this color so far. It ain't bad, I gotta admit. Guys, I gotta admit, I really like this bronzer, and I will be using this as my contour, especially if I tan more, although the color is good now, I think. Plus, I think you can make it a bit more intense if you have a little bit darker skin, or you can take a tiny bit on the brush if you have lighter skin. So yeah, so far, a fan of this bronzer. I'm just gonna quickly jump in and add a little bit blush and the highlighter and come back to you with a finished look, and we can decide if it's good or not. So as I mentioned, I jumped in and applied some highlighter and a blush to finish off the look. So my opinion about this Revolution bronzer, I use this as my contour, like powder contour, as you've seen, and that was the reason why I took it in a color cool rather than warm, because cool tones are better for contouring and warm tones are better for bronzing. Will I be using this again? Definitely yes, it's super affordable. The powder itself is not, you know, some powders when you get, they kinda talky, like talc. This is not a case. This is, I don't even know how to explain the type of a powder, if you can explain the type of a powder, but what I want to say, it's very, very pigmented to begin with, so a little tiny bit goes a lot, as you see, guys. And this humongous pack will last you like forever. It's easy to blend, actually. It's really, really easy to blend. If you apply a little bit too much, you can always blend with a brush or take a wet makeup sponge and just dab on the top lightly to take the excess powder that you don't want if you apply it a little bit too much by accident. So yeah, definitely recommend this contour bronzing powder. I call it contour powder, although we call it a mega bronzer. Here you go, by Makeup Revolution. I will be definitely using this. Thumbs up from me for this Makeup Revolution product. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you have this helpful, please don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Honestly, guys, would appreciate that. And yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next on my channel. Should I do more of a review videos? If so, maybe you have something particular in your mind that I should review next, or maybe I should do more makeup tutorials or vlogs. And I'll see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Ciao for now, guys.